Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this cute applique, gnome applique. This tutorial is simple and beginner friendly. For this project, I'm using cotton yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. Let's start. For the body, make a slip knot. And chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Skip the first chain. Into the second chain, back bump, create a single crochet. You can see the chains. If you turn them, you can see some tiny bumps behind. For example, this one. So I'm going to use the back bumps, skipping the first one into the second one, back bump, single crochet. Single crochet in each chain, back bump. I have 10 single crochet. For round 2, chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet into the first stitch. This is my first stitch. Into this part, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Into last stitch, 2 single crochet. I have 12 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Round 3, 4 and 5. 1 single crochet in each stitch. The number of stitches in each row is 12. So go on like this 3 more rounds. 1 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of each round, chain 1 and turn. And in each round, you're going to have 12 single crochet. Round 1, 10 single crochet. Round 2, 3, 4 and 5, 12 single crochet. Round 6, chain 1, turn. I'm going to have a decrease at the beginning of the round. For decrease, insert the hook into the first stitch, the front loop. As you can see, each stitch has 2 loops. For example, this one loop in front of me, the front loop. This is the front loop, and this is the back loop. For this decreasing, I need the front loops. So insert the hook into the first stitch, the front loop. Again, insert the hook into the next stitch, the front loop. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 2 loops. This is a decrease. My 2 single crochet are now turned into 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet in next stitches, except the last 2 1. I have 2 stitches left. And let's have another decrease here. Inserting the hook into the next stitch front loop and next stitch front loop. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 stitches and yarn over, pull it through. I have 10 single crochet now. Round 7, 8 and 9, 1 single crochet in each stitch with the same numbers of 10 single crochet. Round 10, 1 decrease at the beginning of the round. Single crochet in next stitches and another decrease at the end. Round 11, 1 single crochet in each stitch, no need for decrease. And the number of stitches are 8 single crochet. Round 12, 1 decrease at the beginning and 1 decrease at the end. I have 6 single crochet, chain 1, round 13, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 14, 1 decrease at the beginning, 2 single crochet, another decrease. Round 15, 1 single crochet in each stitch. I have 4 single crochet. And round 16, 2 decreases. One and 2, chain 1, turn, and for last round 1 decrease. And this is the body. For the beard, make a slip knot and chain 11. Skip the first 3 chain and into the first chain create a slip stitch. Insert the hook into this chain, pull up the yarn and pull this yarn through the loop on the hook. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain, and just repeat this pattern, chaining 3, slip stitching into next chain. At the end, fasten off and it's like this. For the smaller part of beard, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first 2 chains. Into the third chain, create a half double crochet. Chain 2, slip a stitch into the same chain. Slip a stitch into the next chain. Chain 2. 1 double crochet into the same chain. Chain 1. 1 double crochet into the next chain. Chain 2, slip a stitch into the same chain. slip stitch into last chain, chain 2, 1/2 double crochet into this same chain, chain 2 and slip stitch here, and fasten off. For appliques, leave a longer tail because you will need them for sewing. For the nose, make a magic ring, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the ring, 1/2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet here and fasten off. My applique is over. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!